Diabetes is one of the most prominent disease now affecting our people.
Yeah, man.
And if a herb like this has such great potential, it means that people supposed to be using it more regularly. Just smelling the aroma from the plant
just give you a calming effect.
Calming effect.
My Jam Hearts family, how you do? Awesome. Today I have a super special episode for you. Today I'm going to share with you the mystical bay leaf. And I'm coming from the Dolphin Head Mountain Range, a community called Crystal, here in Hanover, Jamaica, courtesy of Miss Jamrock. Remember it when our parents and foreparents would give it to us for that headache or that flu or that cold, and the run for the bay rum? This is the secret ingredient. We're going to explore it right now, and I'm going to take you along with me. If you have not yet joined me on my journey, though, I invite you to do so now. I'm on a journey to showcase the real Jamaica, the real people of Jamaica, the real products of Jamaica, medicinal herbs, unusual fruit, attractions, you name it. And I don't want you to miss any of that. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel for whatever reason, don't feel bad, it's a good time. Hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification, and that way you'll see updated on all my latest videos. Let's go to bay leaf. This is it, guys, the mystical bay leaf tree in the Clifton community in the Dolphin Head Mountain Range of beautiful Hanover, Miss Jamrock Parish. And this is the gentleman, Mr. Ray. Mr. Ray, how you doing, sir?
Well, give thanks to life, you know?
Every time, man. Every time. I am thrilled, I'm excited, I'm interested, I'm curious about this mystical bay, and I said mystical deliberately because we're going to talk about that too, guys. There's a mystical component to it about this bay leaf tree. First, I want to ask you, how did you acquire it? Where did you get this from?
You know, I got it from a gentleman who I went to his house, his yard actually, and saw this plant. And he must tell me it's the bay rum plant. You know? And he propagated a plant from that tree. And gave me, I got it as a small plant, and then.
And this is it. This is it now.
That's the outcome of it, yeah.
Why were you interested in it though?
Because to learn that it's the bay leaf and it produce bay rum.
Yeah.
And bay rum was a first aid thing that we used to use.
Yes.
I mean, our parents used.
Yes, yes.
Back in the days.
Yes, yes.
You know?
Yes.
You have a little flu, a little fever, cold.
Yes.
Or any headache or such.
Yeah, man, all-purpose concoction.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. A lot of us can relate to it. You kind of alluded to that, but I'm going to ask you a little further now. How do you use it? Or should I say, what do you know about it? What do you know about the bee? Or traditionally, what do you know about it?
Just in terms of the usage, domestic use of people generally use it for ailments also.
As bay rum?
As bay rum, yeah.
Okay.
But further investigating the plant itself, I learned that it is used in people culinary preparation, like you're using your steamed fish or your jerk. The leaves can also be used as a spice or a seasoning. You know?
How do you use it?
Me?
How do you use it now?
Yeah, man.
How do you use it now?
I made teas from it because it's very good in terms of aiding the digestion process.
Yes.
You know? It's also get rid of gas from the stomach or the alimentary canal. You know?
Yeah, you've been studying it, man.
Yeah, man, definitely. You know, it also you can use the leaves now to substitute for the bay rum itself. You can use the leaves like in a bottle and pour rubbing alcohol on it.
So you make your own bay rum. All right. And actually, I'm gonna mention, I'm not sure how much you know, but I've done some research myself on it.
Yeah.
In preparation for the video. I learned there's a almost a ritualistic use of it too, you know. People use it for all kind of stuff, you know.
Yeah.
In fact, first of all, one big shock surprising thing that surprised me, and I'm gonna surprise you and probably Uncle Ray as well.
True.
Is about bay leaf. Its scientific name is Laurus nobilis. Is its potential to induce what they call lucid dreams.
Wow.
They say that if you put it under a leaf under your pillow, you know about that?
No, but because
they say if you put a leaf under your pillow before going to sleep, it can lead to vivid and lucid dreaming experiences.
Yeah.
And this refers to a state in which the dreamer becomes aware that they are dreaming and can actively participate and manipulate the dream content.
Yeah.
Amazing stuff.
Truly when
yeah. But here now are quickly there are 5 other traditional and other ritual based use of bay leaf.
Yeah.
It is used in various cultures to ward off negative energy, evil spirits, and bad luck.
Whoa.
It is also said that people can write their wishes or questions on the bay leaf, burn them, and interpret the resulting smoke patterns for insights into the future.
Whoa.
Number 3 is 5 of them I'm sharing with you guys. Number 3, they said bay leaves are utilized in traditional medicine for their potential digestive, you alluded to that earlier, respiratory and anti-inflammatory properties. Man, you know your stuff, sir. Sorry.
Yeah, man.
The aromatic qualities of bay leaf, and by the way, it has a nice pungent, man,
aroma,
similar to pimento. Yeah. But it's popular in aromatherapy. It promotes relaxation, reduce stress. Some of us need that. And enhance mood. And finally, as you said as well, bay leaves are a staple in cooking, adding flavor and aroma to various dishes such as soups, stews, and sauces.
Truly
amazing stuff.
Yeah, man, definitely.
I want you to let's show my people again the leaves. So this is how it grew. Let's actually go to the plant here. So sorry. Yeah, man. Yeah. So this is a plant, guys. This is a plant. It looks similar. It's, if you know pimento. And I have a video on pimento, allspice. If you're in America, other places, I don't know it has pimento. It looks similar. The base of the tree, the trunk,
but
looks
leaves
similar.
are different. The leaves are thicker and shorter than the pimento leaves.
Definitely. Very thick, heavy looking. And shorter. Shorter?
Yeah, in length.
Okay.
Pimento leaves are a bit longer.
Yeah. And what about the texture?
Texture is thicker than the pimento itself. And the aroma is a bit different too. Yeah, man, it's a little bit. It's a little bit different. Yeah. Okay, so that's typically how do you prepare if person gonna use it, sorry, or certainly how you use it. You typically dry it first. I'll definitely dry the leaves first before boil it in any teas also. But like the green leaves can use in your cooking.
Just drop it in.
Just drop it in. With the fish or
boy, I tell you, it's really strong.
They jerk pork or they can use it.
Yes. Well, you don't use it pork though, you know.
No.
Raise a Rasta man.
Definitely.
Big up our Rasta man around here and we're watching. Yeah. So, but it's very. I'm smelling it now.
Yeah.
And so I assure you, somebody watching now is smelling it too. You know. Man.
That's part of the mystical.
The mystical component of it. So you typically use it in your tea and foods and so on. You dry it for the
porridge,
porridge and so on.
And as I said, insert it in a bottle with some of the green alcohol. And then when you have any nasal problem, and the colds are, so you can use it as a first aid, you know?
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna transition quickly, guys, into sharing now some scientific base. So we talk a lot about the tradition, and how we use it historically, and people will argue, okay, that's old time stuff. But we're gonna share now some science-based evidence, science-based use of this bad boy here, the bay leaf. The bay leaf, 10 of them actually. Wow, I'm just
10 scientific use.
Man, which is research, meaning it's not people just say, oh, it's old time business. This is real stuff. Number 1, for digestive health. Bay leaves can help promote digestion. As Ray said earlier, guys, they can contain compounds that stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, promoting better breakdown of food and reducing digestive comfort.
True.
Number 2, respiratory relief. Bay leaves have expectorant properties. Now we know why old people used to give it when we have them cold and all them things. Yeah, man, which means they can help alleviate respiratory congestion.
Yeah.
They may help loosen phlegm and relieve symptoms of cough, colds, and bronchitis. Right. Old people know what they used to do, you know, man. They're not as stupid as many people feel, you know them stuff. Number 3, it has anti-inflammatory effects. The compounds in bay leaves have anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation in the body. And this may be beneficial for conditions like arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease. Number 4, I hope you counting with me, guys. Counting down. Number 4, blood sugar control. Bay leaves have been found to have a positive effect on blood sugar levels. This can help regulate insulin and glucose metabolism, potentially benefiting individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing it. And this, in my opinion, actually not my opinion, this from my reading, Mr. Ray, is said to be perhaps the strongest, most powerful scientific evidence-based use of bay leaf, the blood sugar control. Yeah, man, they say it contains bioactive compounds such as polyphenols and flavonoids, which are the ones that help to regulate insulin and glucose metabolism in the body. Number 5, halfway there, heart health. Bay leaf contain antioxidants that help protect the heart from oxidative stress and damage. They may also support healthy cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Number 6, I'm going to stop at number 6 and say, give us a light right now, guys. Give me, for my research, and Mr. Ray, for traditional knowledge, and for the bay leaf, give me a thumbs up right now. All right, a matter of fact, you need to share at number 6 here. Share this video with someone, enlighten them. Now, number 6, antimicrobial properties. The natural compounds in bay leaves possess antimicrobial properties that can help inhibit the growth of certain bacteria and fungi. This can contribute to maintaining a healthy immune system and preventing infections. Number 7, skin health. Bay leaves can be used to promote skin health. They have antibacterial properties that may help with acne and other skin conditions. I know some people will need that right now. If I get some calling, I'm sorry. Additionally, bay leaves oil is used in aromatherapy, we mentioned earlier, to soothe and rejuvenate the skin. Number 8, stress relief. The aroma, and I'm smelling it's getting higher and higher, man. It's getting stronger, man.
Yeah, because I keep it up.
Man, God, this is good stuff. The aroma of the bay leaves has a calming effect that may help reduce stress and anxiety. Simply inhaling the scent or using bay leaf in aromatherapy can promote relaxation. I hope I'm not drop asleep up here. Oh, guys, we're in the Dolphin Mountain Range. Miss Jamrock, correct me. The Dolphin Head Mountain Range in Clifton in beautiful Hanover here, man. She called it the nutraceutical capital of Jamaica and the world. We have everything up here. We're gonna show you them a little later. We're gonna show you some natural herbs and stuff up here, guys. This place is lush, vegetative. Number 9. Where are we, guys? Number 9. Tell me. Number 9. We said stress release already, right? Number 9. Here. All right, ladies. Bay leaf infused water or oil can be used to enhance hair health. Ms. Jamrock, you're going to need that. Mr. Tom, you don't need that. All right, she's not promoting her here. She's just like a soldier today, guy. She's a big up Russia. Miss Jamrock, remember to check out her channel at Miss Jamrock on YouTube. My friend from long time. All right, hair care. It may help strengthen the hair follicles, reduce dandruff, and promote health, shine, and healthy hair. Awesome stuff. Number 10. We reached 10 already? Number 10, the big 10. Dental health. Listen to this. Bay leaves possess antibacterial properties. Rinsing the mouth with a bay leaf infusion or using bay leaf oil in dental care may contribute to healthy gums and fresher breath. This is awesome stuff. It smells good too, so I mean it must make your breath smell fresh. Nice, man. Yeah, man. We just say though, I remind persons though that while they offer extensive potential health benefits, bay leaf, like any other herb, should be used in moderation and as part of a balanced lifestyle. We say, before you take any herbs, we recommend, we talk about here, we ask you to talk to your medical provider to get your clearance to make sure all is well. 10 science-backed, evidence-based use of bay leaf, Mr. Ray. What do you think about that?
I think one of the most important usage from those 10 you mentioned is the whole aspect of its potential in dealing with people who has diabetes. Because diabetes is one of the most prominent disease now affecting our people.
Yeah, man.
And if a herb like this has such great potential, it means that people supposed to be using it more regularly.
Man, it's so like you should be a herbal doctor, man.
Well,
by the way, this man know herbs, guys. You can hear him, very intelligent man. Again, big up Sir Ray again. Him know him stuff. I'm gonna show you some of the herbs. A Russia man too?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Big up Russies.
Yeah, man.
Big up Russies. We talk about my cousin, Mr. Green. Was acting principal there before he died, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Mr. David Green, man.
Okay.
Same family, grew up the same way. He was a little older than I, but
yeah,
man. You don't know him, yeah?
Maybe I know him.
He taught physics and maths.
No.
Okay, brilliant man.
Yeah.
Mr. Jamrock know him very well.
Must.
Yeah. Yeah, but I agree with you.
Yeah.
That more people should know about bay leaf, and I'm so proud of what I'm doing here, sharing some of these stuff with people because people need to know, and we have everything. I was coming up the hill here today, man. I was saying to Mr. Jamrock, we have everything we need in Jamaica, you know.
Sure.
And I know some of you guys agree with me online. Give me a thumbs up.
Yeah.
Everything we need is here in Jamaica. Man. We don't need to look outside. God has given us everything in the herbs, the fruits, the plant, everything that we need to sustain ourselves. Whatever we get from outside, including tourism, is a bonus.
Definitely so.
It's a bonus. We love our tourists. Yeah. No tourists, we love you guys. But we should have everything. We don't need that to survive. You know what I mean? All right, quickly. There are some questions persons have, and we're gonna quickly answer them. 5 quick questions, guys. I know you have it. Some of you have it. We did some research on that too, and I'm gonna share some questions with answers on bay leaf. Number 1, what are the culinary uses of bay leaf? We mentioned it earlier. I think Ray spoke to it as well. It's used in cooking to enhance the flavor and aroma of soups, stews, sauces, and marinades. Number 2, the next question, how do bay leaves help with digestion? Bay leaves may aid in digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes and soothing gastrointestinal discomfort. Mr. Ray spoke about that too. Sure. Are bay leaves safe to consume? Absolutely. Bay leaves are generally safe to consume in moderation. Like anything else, right?
Sure.
Yeah, man, like everything else. However, consuming them in excess may cause digestive issues, which we said again. Use moderation. What is it? Number 4. Yeah, number 4. It's a big one now. A lot of people have the question here. Can bay leaves help with weight loss? All right. The answer, based on our research, is that while bay leaves alone cannot cause weight loss, they may support weight management by promoting digestion and reducing that big appetite that you have. And finally, number 5. What are the potential health benefits of bay leaves? Generally, bay leaves may offer various health benefits, including anti-inflammatory properties, antioxidant effects, and potential, big one, blood sugar regulation. If you have diabetes, check Mr. Ray for bay leaf.
Definitely, man.
That's it. And,
a bonus.
Stress.
Oh, stress. Yes, man. Yes.
And also it aiding enhancing perspiration.
Oh, it does too.
Yeah.
All right. So meaning the perspiration itself or the odor, or both.
The perspiration. Say some people don't perspire.
Oh, so this helps you to perspire.
Right.
Okay. Maybe because it increased metabolism, probably.
Metabolism. Stimulating the
get the body
gland.
Yes.
What is responsible.
All right. Bay leaf. The bay leaf, guys. By the way, guys, Miss Jamrock has a word. We want to expand on the whole stress issue. Yeah, man.
Yes, there's a study by the Northern Caribbean University which says that Jamaicans are experiencing high levels of stress, especially during COVID and beyond. So this can maybe help in a little way for those who need to de-stress. The bay leaves.
Absolutely.
You might get some orders.
Not sure.
So big product for stress management we're hearing.
Surely.
Because it just soothes you as well. You know
Yeah,
what I mean?
just smelling the aroma from the plant.
Just give you a calming effect.
Calming effect.
Absolutely.
And also the teas, like at night, you take a cup of the tea, just like to sleep comfortable.
Yes, yes.
Relax.
Yeah, man. By the way, guys, we're gonna take about maybe 3-5 minutes and just show you around. I'll show you around the place here that Mr. Ray has here. A lot of good, healthy, organically grown herbs here that you need to see. We're encouraging him to start a farm tour.
Yeah.
We're encouraging him to start a farm, and this is why we're gonna show you now. And this is the car tour. Let's show you. We're gonna show. So let's take a look, sorry, and quickly at some of this, at some of what you have here. Some of you recognize this. This is my hand here. This is like actually just a few feet off the ground. This is, guys. This is the old breadfruit. Another amazing plant. It came here under shady circumstances. Yeah, they brought it. Yeah, man, they brought it here to feed our 4 parents. Oh, yeah, the Jamrock,
Wow.
Yeah, but we learn now how nutritious this fruit is. Look at this again. This is cane. This is cane here that Sir Ray has here. All right, and all of this is organic. He doesn't have any chemical or anything. This is just growing wild here. The Shema Maca, I'm gonna touch it and show you. This is the Shema Maca beam. Look at that. You touch it and it look at this again. Plant. Yeah, man, look at that. Shema Maca. You remember that?
Good for the nerves.
Yeah, man, good for the nerves. Shema Maca, more cane. We have this is what we call this again?
Spanish eagle and dog tongue.
Dog tongue.
I have the moringa.
Spanish eagle. Oh yeah, moringa.
Yeah.
Moringa around here. Oh yeah. Okay. No, this is it. Yeah. Moringa here, guys. Moringa.
Good for diabetes too.
Oh, look at the breadfruit in the tree. Wow, that's awesome.
June plum
here. More breadfruit. June plum tree here, and it has some June plum on it.
Yeah.
June plum.
Yeah.
Sorry, I can't manage all of this stuff, you know. Yeah. All right, this is cocoa.
Custard apple.
Cocoa.
Yeah.
The good old Jamaican cocoa. Custard apple tree here.
Cottonwood tree.
Yeah. Cotton. Oh, the cotton tree.
There's a spring nearby.
Oh, that's what they say. Yeah. Whenever there's a cotton tree, there's a spring.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the
spring lower down. Yeah.
Creepers.
Yeah.
Creepers on the cotton tree. You know what they say about cotton tree? Duppy tree.
Yeah, the ancestors, man. Don't call them duppy. That's where the ancestors
reside.
Yeah.
Okay, that's banana here. Woo.
And come and show Dolphin Head Mountain Peak. Like it's raining up there.
Oh. Wow, look at the transition to Dolphin Head. You see, it's how tall is Dolphin Head, Mr. Jamrock?
1,700 feet.
Yeah. It's pretty high. 1,700 feet. This is the Dolphin Head Range, Dolphin Head Mountain Range.
Yeah. Mountain Peak there.
Yeah. Mountain Peak. Look at it, it's touching the sky. It's the highest peak in Hanover, certainly.
Yeah.
No, second.
Second.
Second highest mountain.
But
you can see
it's a hill, it's not a mountain.
It's a mountain. See up Birch over there.
Okay, Birch Hill on the other side here. So Ray is right at the top of, actually where he's at, he has vantage point, you can see right around. So let me show you now a cinematic view. Look. Woo! High up in the hills.
Yeah, man.
High up in the hills. And that's a lot of bamboo in the valley there.
Yeah.
And you have the goats here too.
Yeah, you have the 2 rivers.
You have 2 rivers down there?
Yeah, the Lucy West River. The main tributaries comes from out of the Dolphin.
Awesome. You have a big bad ram goat here.
Yeah,
who wants to see the ram goat? Let's see.
Yeah.
Let's see how bad him is. Sir, I'm good. How you doing? Say hi.
He's not bad, man.
Thank you. Thank you.
He humble.
All right. All right. Looking at the camera and say hi to them. You don't want to talk to nobody today. They don't trust you if it's a Christmas has come. All right.
You might go and put him in the pot. That's very good.
This is a pear tree, guys. It's not pear season yet, but that's pear here. Or we mentioned bamboo earlier. We have plum over there. This is like tangerine. Tangerine, sorry?
No, sour orange.
Sour orange.
Yeah.
But without a doubt though, this is guinea.
Yeah.
This is a guinea tree. Guinea. This baby, it's not quite guinea season yet. Some people love this. It's not guinea season yet, sorry.
Oh, cinnamon one miss.
Alright.
Yeah.
And we have
ackee
tree. Ackee tree. Star fruit. Whew.
Cinnamon further over.
Cinnamon.
Yeah,
Oh,
further.
cinnamon over. Yeah.
You could have walked through this, but it's a bit bushy now.
Oh man, it's alright, man. All right. We get the picture. Guys, you got the picture, right? Send me a thumbs up if you get the picture. There's a lot more here we can share with you, but in the interest of time. Alright, boss.
It's alright for once. That's the peppermint.
Coming up the hill, coming back up the hill, guys. So
And the fever grass, the lemongrass.
this is a bad fever grass, man. This one, Rasta man called Healing of the Nation. Healing of the Nation. Healing of the Nation.
You know,
all right. And more peppermint.
Yeah.
Backyard peppermint. You have a lot of them here, man.
Yeah, man.
Cool. Bird all grow nesting of them, man.
What you see?
Oh, yes, man. Why you living life up here with nature? All right, we're not gonna disturb
it. Yeah, definitely.
We're not gonna disturb nature. Banana.
Yeah.
Banana. This looks like Lakatan.
Yeah.
Lakatan.
Yeah.
No me stuff, man.
Yeah, man.
No me stuff, man. Sour sap leaf, guys. Remember? This one, you know, man. This one. Anti-cancer.
Anti-cancer.
Anti-cancer properties. Yes, yes. And of course, we mentioned the mango. Again, look at mango. So you said this is the time to come for mango, sorry.
Definitely.
Any amount of mango.
Any amount of mango. They are wasting
any amount of mango you can come and get mango. We're not costing you a penny.
That's true. Come right now, man, if you need mangoes.
All right, cool. This is broomweed too.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Many of them, we used to use this sweep yard, but we're hearing now there's a whole heap of health benefits.
Not true.
All of them stuff here, man. All of them. Oh, the breadfruit right on my hand here again, guys. This look like it ready. This look like it ready, man.
No, I can't.
Oh, not ready yet.
That one I can't put in your soup.
In your soup?
Yeah.
I tell you what. You have some people.
Sorry. Try
get two. All right. There's some people right now who take this and roast it, you know.
Yeah.
Who don't have an option. Who don't have an option right now. You have yam. You have some yams.
Yeah, it's yam plant. Yeah.
Pineapple.
Yeah.
Sorry, you're doing well here, man. Pineapple again.
Yeah, man.
Lovely.
I've got quite a few pineapple, but these are just the close ones them around the yard.
Cool. Red water grass. Red water grass here, guys.
And we have the cocoa bean down here.
Cocoa bean, I see that. Yes. Cool. You throw it?
Yeah.
All right, so me catch it, guys. Catch it. The cocoa that used to make cocoa tea, chocolate, of course. There's some yam in the background there as well. All right, you're looking for sorry?
I want to stick more to pick.
Oh, coconut too. Woo! Papaya too. Woo! Guava too. All right, here's a little bonus for you. We're gonna pick breadfruit, guys.
Two more breadfruit,
all right.
Ready for roast.
What's about that one? Ready for roast.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man, breadfruit.
All right. So, why you give somebody who watching one of them right now, sorry? Give them, man. Give one, man.
You can have this one.
All right.
All these two.
Oh boy, you're making somebody sick right now, man. All right. Oh boy, sorry.
Yes, sir.
Amazing stuff you're doing up here. The bay leaf, actually.
Yeah.
It's just one of the unusual, not even usual, the herbal that you have up here.
Yeah.
You have a lot of other stuff. If persons want to reach you to get, whether it's a bay leaf, whether the leaf, or we call it a sucker,
a plant,
or any of the other stuff that you have going on up here, the peppermint, do a tour, whatever, and they want to reach you, how can they reach you?
Well, I can be contacted by my cell number 408 4282.
All right, and it's 876, guys. So repeat it: 876.
Yeah.
408.
4282.
Awesome. You don't have WhatsApp now, though.
Yeah, man.
You have WhatsApp on it?
Yeah.
Awesome. Awesome. Because I have some people watching right now who are overseas and they'll be happy to reach out to you on WhatsApp. So they can just ring you.
Yes, definitely.
I'll work up something for them.
Definitely. Yeah, man. Now, it'll be a pleasure for me to.
Yeah, man. I know that. This man is very hospitable. Man. We have some really nice people in Jamaica here, guys. He's just one of the many. Give him a thumbs up now. So Ray, man, very accommodating, very supportive, very congenial. You see him. Them say my Russies, man, too. So we don't know.
Yeah, man.
All right. Wow, the mystical bay leaf, guys, with Sir Ray. Man, so much information. Two things though. One, I need to share this video and enlighten someone. Number one. And two, there's another related video I think you'll like. It's about pimenta. I think they call it allspice in the US. It's a little bit aged, but you'll like it. There's a link in the description and it's in the card above. See you in that one.